Good evening. The Indian stocks extended their losing streak to a fifth straight trading session today as global markets sold off in the wake of the Goldman Sachs fraud. Sentiment was also hit after sharp losses in the Chinese market, where property shares took a big hit in the wake of last week's government clampdown. US stocks snapped a six-day winning streak on Friday after the Securities and Exchange Commission slapped a civil lawsuit on Goldman Sachs for dumping investors to the tune of $1 billion. The mood remained cautious ahead of the RBI's annual policy meet tomorrow. Consensus forecast is for a 25 basis point hike in interest rates and a 50 basis point increase in CRR. Few weeks ago, we were heading towards the 5,400 and 5,500 levels on the NSE Nifty. However, all of a sudden, the tide seems to have turned against the bulls. The BSE Sensex has lost over 500 points and the NSE Nifty has lost over 150 points in the last 5 sessions. Today, the NSE Nifty managed to end above the 5,200 mark thanks to a late recovery in the index heavyweights like Hindalco, HDFC and Bharti Airtel. The BSE Sensex fell 191 points to close at 17,400 and the NSE Nifty lost 59 points to close at 5,204. Out of the 30 components of the Sensex, 24 ended in the negative terrain and 6 were in the green. The BSE Mid-Cap was down 0.99% and the BSE Small Cap Index slipped 1.48%. Among the sectoral indices, the BSE Realty Index was the top loser. The index fell 2.75%, followed by BSE Metal Index, which slipped 2.22%, and BSE Oil and Gas Index, which moved 2.06% lower. Losses in DLF, Tata Steel, Sterlite, ONGC, Wipro, and Reliance Infrastructure sent the Sensex lower. The Sensex gainers comprised of Hindalco Industries, Grasim Industries, Bharti Airtel, M&M and HDFC. The market breadth on BSE remained negative with 1,820 declines as against 1,035 advances. That's it for the day. Thank you and have a great evening ahead.